Now, how do you add an iPad to family sharing? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. Well, on the iPad, it doesn't really work that you add a specific devices to family sharing, but specific people or accounts, right? So you need to make sure that the account that's being used on the iPad is added to the family sharing. And it can be only added there by the organizer, right? So you need to be the organizer. But once you are, you can go to the settings, tap on your account and family sharing, and you will have the ability to tap on the plus button in the top right corner, which is there to invite more people. So you can invite them over the iMessage or even some other options. But the point is that you need to share the invite with the person you want to add to that like family group, right? And when that person accepts it, they will be able to join you. And it doesn't matter if they join the family with an iPhone or iPad, right? Because the whole person and all of their devices are now part of the family sharing. So it works very well if you ask me. Like, it's pretty simple to set it up like that. You just, again, have to make sure that the organizer does it because other people cannot really just add random accounts. So that's how it works. In case of any questions you might have, leave them below in the comments. But I'm going to wrap up the video. Make sure you stay tuned by subscribing and you're not going to miss any of these like quick guides and tutorials in the future. So do that and I'll see you later.